How to fix error NSES-500 while streaming Netflix. Here are few tips, at the time of commenting, that may help you with the Netflix NSES-500 error. 1. For Magenta TV users only, try these steps. Power your device completely off for at least 15 seconds. Power your device back on. Try opening the Netflix app again. 2. Check if Netflix was down. If so, contact Netflix support team through the help center or live chat. 3. Back up existing router or modem settings. Then reset your device. Reset the device you're trying to stream on. Ensure that other streaming sites are working, YouTube, Hulu, Amazon Video, etc.